Experience the joy of sewing with the Singer Heavy-Duty 4452 sewing machine. This sewing wonder opens up a world of possibilities, making every stitch an emotion-filled journey. With 32 built-in stitches, including 6 basic, 7 stretch, and 18 decorative stitches, it's perfect for crafting elegant garments and heartfelt gifts. The automatic needle threader takes away the frustration, making your sewing experience effortless. This high-speed machine boasts a remarkable 1,100 stitches per minute, effortlessly sewing through even heavyweight fabrics. The Singer 4452 is a workhorse with a stainless steel bedplate for smooth fabric flow and a heavy-duty metal frame for skip-free sewing. This machine is more than a tool, it's your creative partner. It's the rhythm of the needle, the touch of the fabric, and the promise of a finished masterpiece. With a price of just $199, it's an investment in your creativity and passion, a ticket to the world of endless possibilities. Meet the Brother GX37, a sewing machine that stitches emotions into every creation. With 37 unique built-in stitches, it's not just a machine, it's a symphony of creativity waiting to be conducted. The auto-size buttonhole and automatic needle threader make sewing a breeze, eliminating frustration and eye strain. Its jam-resistant drop and top bobbin keeps your projects flowing smoothly. This machine doesn't come alone, it brings a sewing family with it. The GX37 includes 6 sewing feet, a needle set, bobbins, an instructional DVD, and a manual. It's the perfect companion for everyday sewing and quilting, from novices to seasoned experts. But the magic doesn't stop there. Brothers at Your Side Support is your constant guide, offering free technical support for the life of your machine. And all this emotion-packed wonder is yours for just $114. Elevate your sewing experience with the Singer 4423 heavy-duty sewing machine, a true workhorse ready to infuse your creations with passion and precision. This marvel boasts 23 built-in stitches, including basic, stretch, decorative, and buttonhole stitches, allowing you to craft everything from stylish garments to cozy quilts. The automatic needle threader, with its user-friendly threading path, transforms the once tedious task into a breeze, sparing you from eye strain and frustration. At a blazing 1,100 stitches per minute, this high-speed sewing machine, driven by a 60% stronger motor, conquers thick seams effortlessly. Stability is guaranteed with a heavy-duty metal frame and a stainless steel bed frame. The Singer 4423 comes with a variety of accessories for your convenience, neatly stored in the accessory tray. The 25-year limited warranty ensures your creative journey is supported. At $209, it's an investment in your passion, turning your dreams into stitched realities. Step up your sewing experience with the Brothers Sewing Machine XM2701. With 27 unique built-in stitches, this machine offers a world of creative possibilities, from delicate decorative patterns to sturdy zigzags. The automatic needle threader and drop and top bobbin make threading a breeze, saving you precious time and sparing you from frustrating tangles. As a sewing enthusiast, you'll appreciate the included accessories, from 6 sewing feet to an instructional DVD, ensuring you're well-equipped for your creative endeavors. The XM2701's versatile free arm allows you to tackle a wide range of sewing projects, whether you're a beginner or an advanced user. But what truly sets this machine apart is Brothers' unwavering support. With At Your Side Support, you'll have access to free technical assistance for the life of your machine, ensuring that you're never alone on your sewing journey. Priced at just $129, the Brother XM2701 is not only a reliable companion, but also a budget-friendly choice for passionate sewists. Say hello to the Singer M3 500 sewing machine, a creative companion that breathes life and emotion into your sewing projects. Crafted from sturdy metal, it's a powerhouse that weighs 11.79 pounds, yet it feels like a featherweight when you embark on your creative journey. Powered by AC/DC, it's a symphony of electric convenience. This sewing marvel brings joy to your crafting world with 110 versatile stitch applications, from basic to decorative, and even a one-step buttonhole for flawless results every time. The automatic needle threader weaves your threads effortlessly, sparing you from eye strain and frustration. This sewing machine opens up new vistas with its free arm, enabling you to sew in those hard-to-reach places. And that's not all. It comes bundled with an array of accessories, from needles to spool caps, to ensure your sewing dreams take flight. The LED lighting adds an ethereal glow to your workspace, turning every stitch into a work of art. Priced at just $169, the Singer M3500 is more than a sewing machine. It's a conduit for your emotions, turning fabric into expressions of your creativity. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.